Are you still sorting logs by eye and guesswork at your mill? Wasting timber because your diameter classes don't match reality? It's time to bring precision to your sawmill. Today, we will show you how to define log sorting boxes in the CutLog software. To create a set of sorting boxes, we must assign all of them to a specific sorting line. You can have any number of sorting lines, and each one can contain any number of sorting boxes. Typically, one sorting line will correspond to the actual log sorting setup you have at your sawmill. You'll find this feature in the dedicated Sorting Lines function located under the Base Data menu. So let's create a sorting line and assign it a name of your choice. Each box is defined by the minimum diameter of the log that belongs to it. The maximum diameter of the log is determined by the next box with the next larger diameter. The program allows you to define as many sorting boxes as you need to match your specific requirements. For example, logs with a diameter of 400 millimeters and above are sorted into this box, meaning 401 millimeters, 402 millimeters, and so on. A diameter of 425 millimeters would already fall into the next sorting box. You can also create additional sorting lines, which could be used, for example, to analyze the yield from a specific sorting box. Based on this analysis, you might then decide to adjust the sorting process at your mill. We will look at the specific applications of these defined sorting boxes in more detail in a future video. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And remember, stop guessing, start optimizing. Free download at cutlog.com.